Ang bunso namin.
Bye.
We'll see you later.
So we are preparing na for the
The
Velvet Watch
Watch
launching.
launching.
And
Ayan.
dito yung sasakyan ni Boss Alvin. And we just like to say hi sa ating artist right here. Artist! Hi, Jay!
Naman yan siya.
Say hi, Bunso!
Ang bunso namin.
We'll see you later. Grabe, ang gwapo naman ng Bunso natin.
Unahan na natin si Charles. Grabe, para magician!
Excited ka na ba, Fran?
Yes, I'm very much excited.
Yes, ang gwapo!
I know you're so, you're very much excited and so am I. Kaya naman.
I-post mo na.
See you
Guys.
later!
May tao na ba?
Our newest
Bawal ka naman.
Velvet
Diyan ka
Bax Ambassador. Bye!
May artista po, sir.
Excited na tayo mag-perform. Let's go.
Ayan guys, we are preparing na sa loob. Lumabas lang saglit yung mga tao kasi na-brown out dun sa function hall. At nandito kami ngayon sa car. Kasama si Bunso. Kaway-kaway ka naman siya. Kasama si Josh. Magpa-perform siya mamaya. And si Boss Alvin. Let's go.
Once more. Are you excited? Ladies and gentlemen, we have our next ambassador. We give you Fran.
Jopran, ketchup, ketchup.
Okay po,